Hey, what's up, everyone? In this video, I'm going to talk about developing a unique voice with your art. And I love comparing creativity with elements of nature. So I've made this video and talk very relatable to elements in nature and how you can apply them and better understand them with your work. Discovering and nurturing your unique style and voice is essential for your personal and also your artistic identity. And like I said, this video explores how to find and cultivate your distinct voice, an expression that sets you apart and ultimately speaks your truth through your work. And the first step to this is understanding your voice. And in the great chorus of the animal kingdom, every creature has its call, its unique sound that echoes through the wild. Similarly, in the realm of art, each artist has a unique voice, a distinct echo that resonates through their work. It's not just a style or technique, it's the essence of who you are imprinted on everything you create. Your voice is like the leopard spots, the zebra stripes, a pattern unique to you, something that distinguishes you in the midst of the multitude. It's the way you see the world, the filter through which your experiences, your thoughts, and emotions are expressed. This voice is your signature, as personal and distinctive as the roar of a lion or the song of a bird. Understanding this voice begins with introspection. You must look inward, listen to the inner rhythms of your being, and understand what drives you, what moves you, what makes you different. What are the themes that recur in your work? What are the feelings, the colors, the shapes that you return to again and again? This voice evolves over time, much like the plumage of a bird changing with the seasons. As you grow, as you learn and experience more of the world, your voice changes with you. It deepens, it expands, it becomes more complex and nuanced. It's a living thing, a part of you that grows and evolves as you do. But finding your voice isn't just about understanding. It's about courage, the courage to stand apart, to be different, to let your voice ring out clear and true in a world full of noise. It's about embracing your uniqueness, your view of the world, your way of expressing it. Your unique voice is your mark on the world, the paw print you leave in the soft earth of creation. It's what makes your work distinctly yours, what speaks of your singular perspective, your individual spirit. And in understanding, embracing, and nurturing this voice, you not only find your place in the artistic kingdom, but carve out a territory that is entirely your own. In the wild mosaic of the natural world, every creature is shaped by its surroundings, influenced by the landscape, the climate, the other beings it encounters. Similarly, your artistic voice is molded by a myriad of influences and inspirations, like a river carved by the terrain it flows through. As an artist, you're part of an intricate ecosystem of creativity. Each work you encounter, each artist you admire, is like a different species in this habitat. From them, you learn, you adapt, you grow. Their art is the rain that nourishes your soil, the sun that warms your skin. It's vital to understand how to let these influences seep into your work, enriching it without overpowering it. Absorbing from others is like a lion learning the ways of the savannah. It watches, it studies, it incorporates the lessons into its own life, but it never ceases to be a lion. Take what resonates with you from the artists you admire. Study their techniques, their themes, their approaches, but filter them through your own sensibilities, your own experiences. Let their work inform yours, not define it. Your inspirations might be as varied as the stars in the sky. They might come from the art world or from the natural world, from literature, music, or people you meet. Like a magpie, you might collect shiny things from everywhere, a color, a line, a word, and weave them into your nest. But remember, it's the way you weave them, the pattern you create, that makes the nest uniquely yours. As you navigate through this landscape of influences, be mindful of your own voice. Check in with yourself, like a bird listens for its own call among the chorus. Are you staying true to your vision, your perspective, your style? Are the influences enriching your voice or drowning it? In the end, your voice is like your footprint in the world of art. Unique, personal, unmistakable. Let the influences and inspirations around you be the wind that shapes the dunes, the rain that carves the canyons, but always let the final landscape, the art you create, be unmistakably yours. Understanding who you are is like navigating an uncharted territory. What moves you? What drives you? What are the themes and stories that echo through your life and work? Discovering your values is like understanding the climate of your inner landscape. They are the forces that shape the environment, the wind and weather of your soul. By identifying what you value most, you can align your art with these deeper truths, ensuring that your work is not just an expression, but an extension of who you are. Your passions are the rivers that cut through the land, powerful and relentless. They are the themes and subjects that you return to again and again, the currents that pull you forward. Reflect on these passions, understand their source, and let them flow freely through your work. Consistency in your voice is like it's the thread that connects your work, the signature that marks it as yours regardless of the medium or message. This consistency is your anchor, holding you firm even as you explore new territories, try new techniques, and embrace new influences. Evolution is the natural state of all living things, and your art is no different. It's about allowing your voice to mature, to deepen, to resonate with the accumulated experiences and knowledge that each day brings. But even as you move, even as you change, there's a line that connects you back to where you began, a path that, if followed, will always lead back to your core, to the heart of your artistic identity. So, how do you balance these two forces? The need for consistency and the drive for evolution. As you navigate this balance, be mindful of the changes, both small and large, that you weave into your work. Are they true to your core, to the essence of your voice? Do they add depth and dimension, or do they dilute and distract? Remember, evolution in art, as in nature, is not about discarding the old for the new. It's about building, layering, and enriching. In the end, the balance between consistency and evolution is about understanding that your voice, like the savanna, is a living, breathing entity. It's about respecting its nature, nurturing its growth, and celebrating the journey it takes you on. For this balance, in this delicate dance between the constant and the changing, lies the true artistry, the true expression of the ever-evolving, ever-enduring artist. I hope you like this video. If you're interested in this sort of topic, I have another video you might like on the myths and misconceptions of creativity. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks.